Hi, how are you doing? In this video, we are going to learn how to block or unblock any phone number on your WhatsApp. If you feel frustrated from any numbers and you can block easily. So let me show you how. Before jumping to the tutorial, request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Friend, this is how you can support us. Okay, let me show you how we can block or unblock on any number. Open the WhatsApp. In the last video, I have provided the fingerprint lock. If you want to know how to put the fingerprint unlock or lock, then you can watch the above video. Once you open the WhatsApp, you will find three dots in the top corner. Click on that. Now go to the settings, then find account. Click on that. There you have to find privacy. Click on that. Then scroll to the end to find blocked contacts. Open that. Currently I have blocked 4 numbers right now, and if you want to block any new number, click on the add number here, this icon in the right top corner. Click on that. Now select the number which you want to lock. Yes, you can see the number has locked now. Friend, you should save the number and they should have the WhatsApp number. Then only you can lock or unlock the numbers. So once you block, if you want to remove the block, then you can again click on the username and you can unblock. So that's it friends. This was the quick video on how to block or unblock any numbers on your WhatsApp number. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.